Affiliate marketing is a great business model for you to get passive income. So for this example, I'm going to break it down for you guys. When you first begin, you want to pick a niche, and then you want to identify your target audience. So for our niche, we're going to go with wigs or beauty in the hair industry. And then for our target audience, it's going to be women that has cancer or those that suffering from postpartum hair loss. So you want to be able to touch on their pain points, because pain points is essentially what's going to drive that traffic to your social media and your website. So pain points can be hair loss, no confidence, and they need something to throw on and go. So this can be glueless wigs, and then they also suffering from depression. So to break it down, it starts off with you. You are the publisher. So you're at the top of the spectrum. So as the publisher, you're responsible for promoting consistently. You want to touch on these pain points. You want to be relatable and show benefits of the product. So you can do how-to videos, how to install, how long does it last? That is the marketing aspect of the business. Now, the next step. Statistically, a person has to see you 7 times before purchasing, which I'm going to type that out as well for you. So the customer, let's say our customer name is Raven, and Raven is a mom that has postpartum hair loss. So her hair is thinning and Raven is not feeling herself. So she has chemo, thin hair, no confidence due to hair loss, as I just stated. So those are the pain points. So you have to find a way to be relatable to Raven. What would Raven want to purchase from you as far as the wigs? So as I just stated, she has to see you at least 7 times before purchasing. You have to build that trust. So do not delete any videos that is not performing well. You want to post consistently over and over. So have that social proof. This can be videos on how to install, how to make the wig last, benefits of the products, the costs, before and after videos. And then once Raven starts to get familiar with your content, she's going to finally give in and start purchasing. So you are going to have an affiliate link in your bio, and Raven is going to purchase through your link. So once you purchase through your link, it's going to go off for the merchant. In this case, we're just going to use Amazon, for example, for their wigs. So it's going to go ding to Amazon, and they're going to know that you have a purchase through your link. So say, for example, this wig is $200. Amazon is paying you a 20% commission, so you're making $40 off that one sale. If you do 45 sales a day, that'll bring you at $150 to $200 a day. In a month, you get $6,000 a month off of that one product. Guys, this is a super simple process. This is how I'm able to not work a job by promoting other people's products. You don't need to have your own business. You really don't need to have your own website. So all you need to do is go to Amazon, create an affiliate account, get special link for the product, post a link in your link tree, or create a website and promote consistently and get to that money. I hope this helps.